Welcome back to Drawpedia tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Zarude from Pokemon Sword and Shield. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first up, I'm gonna draw a curved line across for the top of his head, right there. And from the center, below the curved line right there, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally to the right and upwards all the way to the tip of that shape, semicircle turn at that outer corner at the tip, sharp turn back out, semicircle turn back in at the lower point, copy the same shape again at this lower point right there, and another one all the way to the side of his face. And on the left side, I'm going to draw a similar shape, turn it upwards to the tip, sharp turn back down with a curved line to the side, a circular shape at the tip here for the other section, and a similar shape below that, and another one, and extend it to the side of the face as well. Diagonal turn out and down, turn it back in at this lower point. And for his eye, I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line sideways, turn it upwards, sharp turn back in diagonally, and turn it downwards at the middle point. For the right eye, I'm gonna take this point at the side and draw a similar shape, diagonally up, sharp turn downwards and inwards at the lower point. In the middle of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and at the side of the snout here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, turn it in to the base of the snout, and trace the same outline at this inner point. And at the top, I'm gonna extend this to the left with a curved line, copy the same shape at this top point right here to the side, and on the left, turn it downwards, semicircle turn at that corner to the right, turn it upwards, curved line across, and curved line down sideways to the right, and at the inner corner of the mouth there, I'm gonna make a circular turn back to the left. And for his fang, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape at this corner right here, and another one at this outer corner. And I'm gonna trace the same shape of the lower lips. Now below the mouth, at this point, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and another one, another curved line downwards from that point, sharp turn back up on the other side on the right, copy the same shape again for the beard, and another one at that corner, and another one. From the side of the face here, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, sharp turn back in, and copy the same shape again at this lower point. For his nostril, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line right there in front of the snout, and another one on the right side. Now for his eye, I'm gonna draw from the inner corner of the eye a diagonal curved line to the tip at the outer point right there, and a curved line for the lower part of the eye. Inside of that, I'm gonna trace the same outline again. And I'm gonna fill up the space with black color. Inside of the eye, at the inner corner, I'm gonna draw an oval shape right there and another black oval shape inside of that. We're gonna do a similar shape for the left eye as well. For the scarf below the head, I'm gonna take this point and draw a triangle shape. Turn it diagonally to the right, semicircular turn sideways, circular turn at that corner, sharp turn back to the right, and turn it diagonally upwards. And I'm gonna draw another circular niche at that corner. Continue to line upwards and turn it upwards to the side of the head. A line at this corner and a curved line at the side. Now for the scarf at the side, a curved line at this corner, another curved line from the side, turn it upwards, turn it diagonally up, and a curved line from the side of the shoulder here diagonally in, turn it downwards, and another curved line at the side. A line at this corner, and for his shoulder, I'm gonna extend this line upwards at the side, semicircular turn at the tip downwards with a curved line. Copy the same shape again at the side right there. Turn it diagonally out for the arm. Turn it downwards at that corner at the elbow. And I'm gonna trace the same line for the inner line of the arm right there. Turn it downwards at the elbow point, and below that I'm gonna draw across a curved line, and on the side of that I'm gonna draw a circular shape. Copy the same circular shape 3 more times at the lower point all the way to the wrist. And at the wrist, I'm gonna draw a curved line across. Below that, I'm gonna draw a line out at this outer point, zigzag line back in to the left side of the wrist right there. And for the thumb, I'm going to draw a line outwards, turn it diagonally down, diagonally back in at the lower point, sideways, sharp turn back up, circular shape at that corner, diagonally turn to the side of the thumb, diagonally turn back out, downwards, diagonal, curved line across, a curved line to the tip of the finger, sharp turn back out, diagonal turn upwards, and turn it upwards. Copy the same shape for the other finger at the side right here. And at the side, I'm gonna turn it upwards to that point right there. Below the arm, on the right here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. And from the lower point of the scarf, I'm gonna draw a curved line across, turn it upwards at the outer corner at the side of his body, turn it with a semicircular turn at the corner downwards. And I'm gonna trace the same line again at this lower point. And in the middle point here, I'm gonna draw a semicircular turn back out and trace the same shape again to the side of his body. And below that, I'm gonna repeat the same shape again at that point, and a curved line down to the legs. On the left side of his body, I'm gonna draw a similar shape as well. And in the middle point right there, I'm gonna draw a curved line in, turn it downwards, semicircular turn back up in the middle point, semicircular turn back down on the right side, semicircular turn back up to the side of his thigh right there, diagonal turn outwards towards the thumb, below the thumb a curved line downwards, flare it out with a curved line outwards, sideways, and diagonal turn back down, semicircular turn at the tip right there, and copy the same shape for the toes. And at the side, I'm gonna make a turn sideways, a curved line at the side of the thumb, semicircular turn back up, diagonal turn to the side and upwards at this corner. I'm gonna draw from the outer corner of the foot, zigzag line to the left. Turn it upwards at this inner corner, back up, curved line at the inner line of the thigh, and across curved line at the lower point right there. For the left leg, we're gonna copy the same shape on the left side right there. Now at the back of his foot, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape right there and on the right side as well. For his left arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line down from this point, turn it outwards, and the same goes to the inner line of the arm, and I'm gonna copy the same shape of the bangles on his hand. And a curved line at the wrist. Curved line out from that point, sharp turn back up with a diagonal curved line. From the side of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line sideways, diagonal turn downwards to the right, semicircular turn upwards, diagonal turn up to the tip of the finger, sharp turn back down, and a curved line at that corner. Another curved line at the side of that. Copy the same shape of the fingers on the left side right here. At this point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line in and sideways towards the thumb, curved line at that corner upwards, another one above it, and sideways to the tip at the top point right there. Sharp turn back sideways to the right, semicircular turn at that corner, curved line diagonally in towards the wrist. On his palm, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line there, turn it downwards and sideways, semicircular turn across to the right and turn it back in towards the wrist. In the center point of the wrist here, I'm gonna draw a triangle shape. Now for his tail, I'm gonna draw from the side of his leg on the right a curved line diagonally up towards the bangle and another one at this lower point. Continue the line at the outer point of the bangle right here, semicircular turn downwards at the outer corner right there, turn it outwards and sharp turn back in at the lower point, turn it out downwards at the lower point and sharp turn back up. At that corner, I'm gonna draw a triangular shape right there, a curved line at the side on the left, sharp turn back in upwards, semicircular turn at that corner back towards the bangle. Now for the cloth behind, I'm gonna draw from the lower point of his arm, line down, turn it outwards, curved line across, turn it in, and I'm gonna draw some zigzag line and some circular niche, zigzag line across back to the side of his body. In between his eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and a curved line above the left eye at that point. On his teeth, I'm gonna draw some line downwards at the upper point right there and at the side a triangular shape right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.